right, so this is the unboxing of the gel cap. So I've never purchased one of these before and decided to get one of these for my 10-year-old son. And it just arrived. So I'm gonna take it out. Here it is, out of the box. I have never applied one of these onto a helmet, so I'm going to just start taking my best guess. I've got my helmet here, and looks like this will strap. Got some Velcro right here. This is gonna probably strap right here somewhere. Well, okay, here we go. Get this. Oh, it actually has a button. So I'm gonna snap this button first. I should probably take this off. Let me just cut this tag off real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead, loop this back under, snap it in, and Velcro that. We'll do this side. And snap it. And then Velcro that. And we'll come around here on the back. This just looks like it has a Velcro for the back. And then these strap over here. And they have a snap button as well. And let's do this side. Pretty easy. Pretty self-explanatory as well. And okay, and then snap that in and Velcro. All right, that's it. That was pretty fast. Got practice tonight, and wanted to just get a little bit more cushion here. My son is only 10, so the kids don't hit very hard yet. There are a couple of bigger kids, and even the bigger kids, they just don't know how to hit very hard yet. I wouldn't say all of the kids don't know how to hit. There are definitely some that are more football athletic than others, and those kids definitely know how to hit. And so since we're getting bigger, this is going to be the third season my son has played. The first two seasons, he started at 7, 8 years old, and they just never hit. They just didn't understand hitting very well. They wrestled more of it. As far as tackling, it was more of a wrestle. They would hug them and then wrestle them down. But now more and more kids are starting to understand tackling and hitting. And so thought I'd get one of these just to obviously protect one of the most important parts of our body, which is our head. And yeah, it looks good. I mean, I got the navy blue because it matches the color of the helmet. They come in different colors. And I mean, I just literally unboxed it, but as my opinion as of right now, I like it. I mean, super soft, and it's just more cushion.